Olá, família! Taty here, speaking directly from Brazil. I'm feeling so happy to return to Encinitas to another magical weekend at the Temple of Joy with incredible beings as Enka, Case, Temple Dog, my dharmic partner Matthew Hara, and the dear Jaffe, a talented and sensitive musician. We feel so blessed to have him with us this time. And now I will let Matthew to say hi to you all.
Hi, my name is Matthew, and I'm down here in the magic of the Baja Peninsula. And I'm very excited to be returning to the Temple of Joy in Encinitas very soon, to be with dear friends Casey and Onka, and my dharmic partner Taty from Brazil. We're going to be sharing all kinds of different opportunities to connect through the heart, to connect through the arts, to connect through mantra, through mandala, through yoga, through music. So we really invite you from our hearts to join us in this important time to uplift through tangible connection with one another, to pray together, to play together, to enjoy life together. So I hope to see you at the Temple of Joy.